So today I have another MyQ Chamberlain smart garage opener. This one's the garage opener with the door sensor. So anyway, the door sensor allows you to know if the garage door has been open for how long or closed for how long. So anyway, let's go and then open this up. By the way, this one is open item, and it says never used, so we'll see. Let's go and then open this up and see what we got inside here. And I purchased this for $15. I guess original price was like $17.99, and then the seller offered me $15, so hopefully it's gonna work. So yeah, it has been opened. There's a fingerprint right there. And this side's open too. So here's the quick start guide. It's supposed to come with all this bracket, adapter, anchor, and screw, your hub and your door sensor, and 2 other screws for the bracket, and then Velcro strip for the door sensor. And your Wi-Fi router has to have 2.4 gigahertz in order to work with this. If you have 5 gigahertz, it's not going to work. And mobile device to set up your app, and then compatible garage door opener. So be sure to set up your MyQ and apply the warning label. Hopefully not something broken. Normally this adapter and the bracket is supposed to be inside a box, but it looks brand new. So, and this is the door sensor right here. So you got to put this tab. It's a battery right here. Anyway, I'm pretty satisfied, but not sure what's that loose. Hopefully just plastic. So last time I showed you guys the unboxing of this video that I purchased on eBay, and then when I did the unboxing, there was like some kind of rattle noise in this hub. And then later on, when I tried to do the installation, I saw one of the LED was missing. When we tried to connect it with the app, somebody kept on saying cannot connect. So anyway, I'm going to open this up today and see what's going on, because this circuit board for the flash somehow is like out of place. So anyway, let's go and then open this up with the 2 screws. Oh, it's right here. You see the LED? But I don't think that will cause the not connect. Wow, so there are 2 points of connector. I don't think I could solder that back together, but anyway, instead of 5 LED, now it's going to turn into 4 only, so so there you go. 这个 positive and then negative, so and then this thing is broken off, that's why. You see the crack on the side? So yeah, I'm not sure if that's doing shipping or whatever that got damaged, but anyway. So I told the seller, and then the seller just automatically give me the refund. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, like always. Peace.